Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro ginigilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Hagakanta jinkali jungka government business jungka dorbar mangtingka ke yung dorbar thawan ke jilla uba Adelbert nongrum u MLA ke Shillong North ulabu jinkali ya menteri katanat company boarding u 80 mondel men hagalai tering. Ka jinkali ka ba uba Adelbert nongrum haga 0 hour hapo ka kendon 49A jungka yung halor ka jingmi khubor. Hakamat Sekretariat on iakhih Bah Mikhael Syiem Rah syu katanat MEECL ya LUM Pongdeng. Bah Adelbert ya thu Bah Mikhael Syiem uday chairman jangka kinhon kintiu ya ka kam jangok kai perthei henry ula do ban penyat ya katei ka jaka namar ka jingkni bar khangno katanat Meghalaya Electric City Energy Corporation Limited bat bam syu ya katei. Utay MLA ka VPP upan jing pansyay na kayong dorbaling ba menteri katanad company boarding na kaliang 80 mondel ha babatay ka LUM Pongdeng kadi kajaka kabahi kumba iwe hinriu saw not nyo khandai nyo point saw square meter akar saw point nyo pu ar kajaka kabalong try da ka MEECL MCL ka jinghe kumba shi akar u 80 mondel hatu uba Mikhael Syiem ringkan ka kinhon penroi kam jungok kai perthei kala IY na kabenta kapor ka bash postnem ka batrei kam na du ka nyau trik unai lar sia jar khandai span khandai pnyo hadu ka hndru trik unai wing ara jar nyau ha gador ka bash pholak tingka ringkat bakatiar ka dor ka basan pesen henry kala kutno par katnat kala pen kutno na kaliang katnat ha swaban pendu kala pentip sya chairman jung ka kinhon penroi Meghalaya da ka shithi balalap khatwei trik unai lor ara jar ar puar Bagajing penjalan ya kejaka kalong ban omla syu ban penjalan. Menteri ketenat company boarding uyathu la kerpat ya ke Shillong ban jaka bat wengno ya baru ki jingtei bala tehi kat kum ka jingkhang bat jing betha jong ka high court.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for allowing me to move a matter of grave importance at this 0 hour, in accordance with Rules 49A. Yes, I will not be making a speech, but I will stick to raising the matter by presenting the facts as they are and posing the question to government. Before I begin, let me remind myself and all of us that let's stop talking only about politics, but let's stop talking about policy. Bah Mikhael Syiem is the chairman of Machoprang Tourism Promotion Group. And even as I speak, he is currently on the street outside Secretariat raising a voice of protest against the decision of Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, MEECL, not to renew the lease for tourism promotion activities at LUM Pongdeng Island, located within Omnium Lake. Since 1997, MEECL has been granting lease of LUM Pongdeng Island to Bah Machoprang Tourism Promotion Group. And gradually, with the start of tourism promotion activities, the island, which earlier witnessed deforestation by timber logging, when 4-wheel trucks could cross at dry season. Today, we can clearly see ecological restoration with afforestation and even wildlife returning. In the tourism circuit, Mr. Speaker, sir, LUM Pongdeng Lake Island is widely known as an idyllic retreat for young and old who go to visit. And it is particularly sought after as a wedding venue and honeymoon destination. Since 2008, Bah might. Machaprang Tourism Promotion Group has added a boat house, which is the first of its kind in Meghalaya and even in the Northeast. Honorable Mr. Speaker, sir, through the years since 1997, the tourism promotion activities at LUM Pongdeng has brought revenue to the government and given employment to not just the family of caretaker who reside on the lake island, but to many others in the surrounding local economy as well. So after 27 years, a barren patch of land in the middle of Omnyam Lake, which government earlier did not bother to give much importance, today stands out as a beautiful and valuable tourist spot, thanks largely to the visionary and extraordinary effort of Bah Mikhael Syiem. We should appreciate for his effort. In fact, Mr. Speaker, sir, the question I ask in this 0 hour is for the government to consider. On one hand, you are denying renewing lease of MECL land to a local tourism promotion group, which has brought much value to the state. And yet, on the other hand, you are offering similar MECL land around Omnyam Lake to big-time investor. Let the people judge in this regards. Who are outsiders through the Invest Meghalaya policy. This, it cannot be called policy. I dare to mention that it is a conspiracy. It's not a policy. Anyone can go online and browse the Invest Meghalaya website to see for themselves. What we get to know is that the land bank being offered at Omnyam is 300 acres. And the area is shown as 4 plots lying very much alongside Omnyam Lake on the eastern side and indicated as belonging to Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, MEECL. Also on the website, this 300 acres at Omnyam is shown as land for new industrial estate that is ready for notification. So even as Bah Mikhael Syiem is standing on the street outside Secretariat to protest, I am similarly standing here in the August House to question the policy of this government. Are you giving up on local entrepreneur because now you want to invite big players? Are you giving up local entrepreneurs because now you want to invite big players? I repeat again. Is your Invest Meghalaya policy pro-outsider and anti-local? The people of the state want a clear explanation. With these few words, Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank you once again for allowing me to raise a matter of grave importance through this 0 hour. I'll resume my seat.
Thank you.
I expect with a positive
May
reply.
I request the Minister in charge to make a reply, please?